Okay, well here's another brand new foreclosure, and this one is rough. And this is exactly how I just found it. Now this one has not gone through the actual foreclosure sale. It's a pre-foreclosure, but you can see the bank has already rekeyed one of the doors and put stickers that basically they've took kind of possession, or at least they've secured the property. But this location pretty much is a huge dang negative. Not to mention the neighbor has roosters, which you're going to hear any minute now. There's not a whole lot of pride of ownership in this neighborhood. So you got dogs on one side and you got roosters on the other side. Not a good combination. So this is what I found when I got here. Somebody has decided to kick in and destroy the boarded up door or entranceway, whatever this is. But I can't even get in that way. Wait till you see this inside. It is rough. Wow. So of course the front door was open just like this when I got here. Look at this floor. I mean, look at this mess. I don't have any specs in this house. It is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. Of course, I can't see much in the bathroom right here. It's dark. There's no utility zone. Here's one of the bedrooms. This house is a mess. Somebody has torn this thing up. It's funny, these foreclosures I've been getting here recently have all been major fixer-uppers. I mean, not a one of them has been a retail type transaction where it's going to be an owner-occupant or somebody wanting to live in the home. But so I got this one, and I've got this other one that's another small house that is totally destroyed too, and it's a mess. We're going to go hit that one next just so I can have these two great videos of showing these piece of junk houses. So, hey buddies. It's got vinyl siding, which is not in that bad a shape. Oh, that door, look at that. Won't even shut. It could be a cute house, but man, this one needs a heck of a lot of work. It is bad shape. Not to mention the location. I mean, it's just not, that great. I mean, one thing I will say though, this area here in Pensacola, this immediate location, is kind of coming back, and a lot of homes are getting renovated, fixed up more, which is a perk. Pensacola needs more affordable, cheaper housing that's move-in ready, which there's not enough of. So, I mean, it's got some positives, but dang, does it need some work, Lord. So, And here's the neighborhood.